Good morning. Last lecture we have seen the definition of transportation problem and mathematical formulation of transportation problem. That is, in this lecture we have seen the types of transportation problem and methods of transportation problem. Types of transportation problem. That is, there are two types of transportation problem. There are two types transportation problem. First is balance transportation problem and second is unbalanced transportation problem. When the both of supply and demands are equal, then the problem is said to the balanced transportation problem. That is meaning of balanced transportation problem. That is total supply equal to total demand, and next problem is called balanced transportation problem. Total availability equal to total requirement. That is total supply at the source equal to total demand at the destination is called the balanced transportation problem. And what is meant by unbalanced? Transportation problem. Where the demand, supply and demand are not equal, then it is said to be unbalanced transportation problem. And in this type of problem, either dummy row or dummy column is added according to the requirement to make it is balanced, and then it is can be solved similar to the balanced transportation problem. That is when total supply at source is not equal to total demand at destination is called unbalanced transportation problem. That is when the total total supply at source is not equal to total demand at the destination is called the unbalanced transportation problem. And in this type of problem, either a dummy row or dummy column is added according to the requirement to it make balanced transportation problem. In this type in this type of problem, either dummy row or dummy column is add to according to the requirement to make it balance problem, and then it can be solved similar to balance transformation problem. In this type of problem, either add dummy row or dummy column is added to according to the requirement to make. That is, when total supply is not equal to total demand, then according to make balance transportation problem, to add dummy row or dummy column to make it balance problem, and then it can be solved similar to the balance transportation problem. To find initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem. To find the initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem, and methods first, north, west, corner rule. Second, row minima method. Row minima method. Third, column minima method. Fourth, least cost method. And 15, Rubens approximation method, that is VAM. This is the method of finding the initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem. That is, first is northwest corner rule, second is row minima method, third is column minima method, and fourth is least cost method, and fifth is Rubens approximation method, that is called VAM method. It is the finding the method of initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem. Then we see the first method, north west corner rule.